we do have our first email question of the night. This one is from Mark. My elderly parents are very private, don't rock the boat kind of people. So it's no surprise how they're dealing with a wreck my mom was in and just taking what they're given. I'm afraid they'll end up paying when it was the other driver's fault. How can I get them to see a lawyer about this?
Thank you for the question, Mark. And that's typical. We see this a lot of times with a lot of elderly clients. They're very worried about either filing a lawsuit or hurting someone or filing a claim or even going through the process. And way too often they just take what's given to them, like you said in your question. But in a situation where you're very concerned about the issues, whether they're just going to just be taken advantage of by an insurance company, you know, it doesn't cost anything to speak to an attorney. You can talk to anyone in our firm. We'll be glad to meet with your parents, walk them through the process, do a Zoom call now, or any other type of meeting that they would like, and basically explain the process that it doesn't cost anything to first off hiring an attorney, but also they need to understand that the insurance company have attorneys that'll work for them day and night. And so why shouldn't they have someone to represent them and to help them in these tough times? At the end of the day, it's always up to your parents or always up to a client whether they want to retain an attorney or not, or just take what the insurance is offering them. But Mark, if there's any way to get them in front of an attorney that just speak to them for free, make it very easy to speak to them via Zoom, or even if they want to come into the office and talk, be glad to accommodate them. But at the end of the day, they need to understand that when they sign on the release and they sign on that dotted line, they are forever releasing their claims against that person who caused this accident. And why not have an attorney fight for you like the insurance company has fighting for them?
Hopefully that answers your question, Mark.